Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Din Tai Fung inspired Oriental salad. So let's start cooking. First we are going to blanch our ingredients. Heat up a pan of water. I'm going to blanch first 60 grams of tau kwa or bean curd. These are the spice bean curd which you can actually easily find in any supermarket. So this will go in. Just a quick blanch will be fine. Okay, we'll remove them almost immediately. Important thing is just to drain them dry. Okay, next I'll be blanching the black fungus. I bought the fresh fungus. This is 50 grams of the black fungus. Cut into thin strip like this. Okay, put it in. Just a short blanch will do. If you can't get fresh fungus, you can always use dried fungus. Just soak them until soft and do the same as what I do over here. Just give them a quick blanch. Important thing about making Oriental salad is that you really have to drain them dry. Otherwise the sauce will not stick onto the ingredients. Next we'll blanch the bean vermicelli or tang hun. This is 20 grams. I've actually rehydrated them. Just take about a minute or so inside here. Once it's soft, you'll just remove them from the water. Something like this will be fine. Lastly, I'll blanch the soybean sprout. This will take a little bit of time, but this gives you a very good crunch actually. So I'll just put them in. If you like it softer, you can actually boil it longer. If you like it al dente, then it will be a shorter period of time. All depends on how you like your soybean sprout to be. If you can't get soybean sprout, you can always get bean sprout. Taste wise is almost the same, but texture will be slightly different because this will be slightly crunchier because of the soybean. Okay, this is done. We'll scoop this up. After we finish this, we will prepare the salad sauce. So now we'll put all the ingredients inside a mixing bowl. We'll put in the black fungus, the vermicelli, the tau kwa or bean curd, the soybean sprout, and lastly I will add in also Japanese seaweed, 5 grams of dry seaweed which I've rehydrated. Before you hydrate it, it actually looks like tea leaves. So 5 grams of it actually yield me that much of a seaweed. Also, we'll just put this in. You add in 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, white rice vinegar. We'll add in also 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. If you like it spicy, add in 1 tablespoon of chili oil. Give this a good mix. And after you mix this up, do not eat it immediately. I know the urge is there, but put this in the fridge, let it cool down, and let it absorb all the beautiful sauces. 1 hour will be a good time to actually try this. So after 1 hour, we will have a taste on how this tastes like. I'll see you back in a while. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Very fragrant. You can taste the various ingredients, the crunchiness of the soybean sprout, the fragrance from the Japanese seaweed as well as the bean curd. This is really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Only you want to eat that. The rest don't want to eat that.
Chippy? Chippy?